slowly remembering, so I never forget all the memories that live in me. Reminiscing, they never listen. This broke me, broken beyond repair. This isn't, I guess life and death aren't fair. This pain is just too damn much to bear. Screaming, crying, cursing, and flipping off the air. I've fallen so far, I've lost focus, lost myself, blinded, didn't notice what else I was losing. Now alone, just a shell of my past. Feels like I'm floating endlessly. This broke me, right on repair. This isn't, I guess life and death aren't fair. It's just a damn much to bear. Screaming, crying, cursing and flapping off the air. Feeling so numb and cynical, that is good to say I'm being stung. But this moment, monumental. I feel so cold, the resting lyrics practical. Don't let your spirit leave me, I need to feel this pain. I don't want to go away, let the tears fall like rain. So I'm left here suffering in misery, remembering, so I never forget all the memories that live in me. Reminiscing, I've lost the one that I would go to, that I would call. So now who am I supposed to, now that you're gone? This broke me, broken beyond repair. This is bullshit, isn't fucking fair. This pain is just a damn much to bear. Screaming, crying, cursing and flapping off the air. I feel like I no longer know how to live. Feeling empty, lacking empathy. Happy is just a memory. This loss is treachery, felony, elegy, heresy, apathy, blasphemy, zealously, seriously, should be in therapy. This is my blasphemy, heresy, elegy, and zealousy. My tears fall like rain, so I'm left here suffering in misery. Reminiscing, remembering, so I never forget all the memories, all of our memories. This is my blasphemy, heresy, elegy, so I say. Alright, beyond repair. This is bullshit, it's a fucking fair. This place is a damn much to bear. Screaming, crying, cursing and flapping off the air. Now, your spirit has left me. All I feel is pain, though will go away. My tears fall like rain, so I'm left here suffering in misery. Remembering, so I never forget all the memories, all of our memories. This is my blasphemy, heresy, elegy, and zealousy. Broken beyond repair. This is bullshit, isn't fucking fair. This pain is just a damn much to bear. Screaming, crying, cursing and flapping off the air. Broken beyond